guys, just going to show you what I come up with on this 2008 crash recovery compared to the current crash and recovery we're having now. Now this is, gives me a little line, start of the crash here about February 20th for the USA. NZ started crashing a little bit earlier, but what I thought I'd do is have a look at past crashes and see how they performed, see if there was any similarities, and I think there is quite a few similarities here if you can see what I'm looking at. Now what I did was make a post at some time, July 25th I think it was, on the Nasdaq. Now I have to make this smaller to get the little no tags to come up. Now before I do that, I'll just show you how you get to my profile. You're on the video anyway, just go down in the description and there's a link. Follow me on Tradeview. Bob's your auntie, takes you there. And you can see that little thing hasn't even come up for me. There you go, there it is. So why you click on that is because you want to find Nasdaq. Alright, there it is. Click on that and they will come up. The post is July 25th, Nasdaq 100. Because I have a theory, and if you look on the internet it will tell you that probably about 70% of trading is made by algorithms. I don't know what proof they have, but there's got to be something in it. Alright, so I made this post here and it says 29 bars, right? From this point to this point, potentially interesting area, start end of August, right? It's actually the beginning of September. So we'll click this. I got no idea what's going to happen. And wouldn't you believe it? On the day that I put that line there, it crashed. Right? Now why? Was it because there was some news that came out? No. It's because the algorithms are following the 2008 crash. Now we'll go and form fit this a bit. This is the current one that I've posted. And I've just moved it up a bit to fit the form, right? Because it's never going to follow it exactly. 2008 was a lot shallower sort of recovery, and this is a lot steeper. Now let's click this button, and wouldn't you believe it, it's done the same sort of thing, uppy downy, and now we're on this point. Looks like we might be heading a bit lower if it continues, but on this day here, this is Tesla 22nd of September battery day, alright? Coincides with this peak here. Can't see the date on this, but that might be interesting to see. If it breaks past this point here, then it could be all on for another big crash, who knows. But it has followed this pattern very, very closely. Algorithms are trained on past data, and what they've probably done is just gone, well, what happened last time we had a crash? Oh look, 2008, this is what's happened. Let's just do that then. Alright. Now just to prove that it is 2008 crash. Here it is here. Here's 2008 recovering in 2009. You can see the pattern there. Hopefully you can see that that's the same pattern. I had to mark the little lines because it's easy to get lost. Now drag that down to there, just in case people don't believe it's 2008 crash. And I think you can see that that is a 2008 crash. Alright, so what you can do also, if you wanted to, is you can make this yours on your chart. If you can have a free account with Tradeview, and you click on that little speaker button, and it's telling me, alright, if you get this, it says that I've got too many chart layouts. Now what it does is save every chart that you ever make. Alright, I'll click on that little drop down. I think it's a bit of a scam have myself, because you'll just go, well, what do you mean I've got too many charts? I've got too many charts. I've got to buy a subscription. Oh man. So you go and buy a subscription and you didn't have to. So you delete the chart and you click that make it mine. There you go. Bob's your auntie. You can do what you like with it. You want to put a nice little line there. Alright, you look where the support is going to go. Basically it's at the bottom of this candle here, which is support and resistance. Well, support. Now we're looking around about 21st of October. Things are starting to look better. I think it's because they will say in the news, people are starting to see who's got the most majority with the election. Election is coming up for America on November the 4th. Okay, but they'll be saying, oh, Biden's got the advantage or Trump's got the advantage, and apparently traders will like it. That's what they will say. Alright, because that's news people's job. Find some news to fit that move. Now, what I'll do is leave you with a quote. Quote is, everyone has the brain power to make money in stocks, or think they do, including myself. Not everybody has the stomach, and that is true. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you feel like it, up to you. Take care and have a good weekend. I'll see you in the next vid.